Yeah, so usually I'm invited to come and talk about how to manage stress or manage transition, change, adjusting, especially at the beginning of the year, or if something's happened at school. It could be exam stress. Sometimes it's in areas where children have experienced trauma because of other things that have happened in their lives. But starting off with that framework, and that gives them an opportunity to explain what's going on in the brain, that, obviously if the child's feeling stressed, they're not able to engage with their learning, not connect with their learning, and how that then impacts on educators. So it gives a much more deeper understanding, which they love. And from there, then you can go and talk about the strategies and the best way to engage, having fun with learning, having breaks in your learning, that movement's important, being aware of nutrition, importance of having music in their day, those things, because then we talk about wellness, then performance, rather than just focusing on the academic side. So they love it. And also I think it takes away that sense of I'm doing something wrong rather than what's going on. And so now we understand. And it's really helpful for educators too, because they can then see, well, actually I was feeling stressed and probably I wasn't actually at my best that day, or I was being influenced or affected by a child that was perhaps overwhelmed. And that's because, we talk about mirror-neuron effect, or that their survival system was activated. So they have much more understanding and self-awareness, because I think since I've been using this, people that are using more self-awareness are having the best outcomes.
Well, if you want to know more about the science of psychotherapy, come across to our website, thescienceofpsychotherapy.com, and our podcast of the same name, and learn more about the science of you.